How to remove an account from Microsoft Authenticator application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to removing accounts from Microsoft Authenticator application on iOS and Android devices. So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to delete individual accounts or manage grayed out entries. So you can do it on iOS and Android both. However, for this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. So you're going to head over and open your Microsoft Authenticator application first. Once you open that, you're going to simply, unlock it using your Face ID, passcode, or fingerprint. And then you'll be able to view all of your accounts on Microsoft Authenticator application. Now, click on any account that you wish to remove. Once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you need to do is simply click on this gear icon at the top right. And then you'll be able to see an option of remove account. So simply head over, click on remove account. And then it would say after removing your account, you will not be able to use this device to verify your identity. If you really wish to remove, you're going to click on continue. And once you do so, you can see that that account has been removed. So that is basically how you can remove an account from Microsoft Authenticator application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.